Hey guys, it's Nathan7 here, back with a video. And today I'm going to be opening some Minecraft minifigure series 5. As you guys can see. And this is the A series. I actually do have some of the other series. And I'm going to do it just like my friend Comic Kid. Make short 1 minute 30-second videos or something like that. Yeah, so I'm going to be opening these two. And yeah, hopefully. Oh, here are the types of this: attacking ghast, killer rabbit, spawning zombie pigman, chicken zombie, teleport enderman, wolf with a bone, iron golem with flower, Alex with boat, Siamese cat, Steve and mismatched armor, skeleton in flames, and donkey with chest. So yeah, let's open these. I really want the attacking gas and the wolf. I did not feel these before, guys, so I don't know what's in them. Ooh, I mean the weight. Ooh, I got the spawning zombie pigman. I think that's what it's called. And yeah, it's really cool. I was just looking at this. It doesn't really stand. Sorry for the background noise, guys. Oh, okay, got it. Time for my next one. Sorry, did that off camera. Let's see what I get. Ooh, I got the same one. Ooh, but I got Steven mismatched armor. That's pretty cool. I think that's him. Yeah. So guys, that's about it for the video. Oh, by the way, Series 5 just came out like a week ago, I think. I don't really know exactly how long. And yeah, I got spawning zombie pigman and Steven mismatched armor. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment and a like if you want to see more videos. And see you guys next time. Bye. Like, comment, subscribe.